Hi everyone, it's Femilanio here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your crypto from Binance to another crypto app like ByBit or KuCoin or any other crypto app. Recently, Binance disabled the NGN token on the Binance app and also the Binance P2P platform for Nigerians. So a lot of people have been messaging me and asking me how can they withdraw their money or how can they transfer their crypto from Binance to another crypto app. So I've decided to make a video about it and show you exactly how you can transfer your crypto safely from Binance to another crypto app like ByBit. Now, the first thing you want to make sure you do is that you go to your wallet on Binance. As you can see, I'm on the Binance homepage. So you click on wallet right here where the arrow is pointing to. And as you can see right here, I'm on the wallet page on the Binance app. Now, the next thing is to make sure that the crypto you want to transfer is either in your spot wallet or either in your funding wallet. So it can be in your spot wallet or in your funding wallet. So let's say, for example, you are transferring USDT. That USDT you want to transfer must be in your spot wallet or must be in your funding wallet. Let's say it's BTC you want to transfer. The BTC must also be in your spot wallet or in your funding wallet, any one of the two. So here is your spot wallet where the arrow is pointing to. You can see where I clicked on right now. And then where the arrow is pointing to right now, where you have funding, that's where you have your funding wallet. So again, you must make sure that you have the crypto you want to transfer in your spot wallet or in your funding wallet. Now for this video, I'm going to be transferring my USDT from Binance to ByBit. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to the wallet where you have that crypto. So you can see my USDT is in my funding wallet. Now to transfer it, I'll come right here and click on withdraw where the arrow is pointing to. So once I click on withdraw, it will ask me for the crypto I want to transfer. So I'll just come right here and search for the crypto. Don't forget the crypto is USDT. So I'll just enter USDT right there. So you can see USDT right here. So I'll just click on it. So at the bottom of the screen, you'll see two options. The first one is send via crypto network or send via email or phone or ID. Now, if it's that you're transferring to another Binance account or to another Binance user, that's when you can use the second option. But since I'm transferring to another crypto app, then I'll pick the first option. So you come right here and pick send via crypto network. Then you'll be asked to enter some details. So the first one is you'll be asked to enter your wallet address. The next one is your network. And then the third one is the withdrawal amount. That is how much you want to withdraw. Now, where are you going to see all the details you paste or enter right here? That's where you now go to the second app. So right now, go to my ByBit app to copy my USDT wallet address and the network. So right now, as you can see, I'm on the home page of the ByBit app. So if you are transferring to your ByBit, this is what you should do. So go to your assets page, which is where the arrow is pointing to. Now on your asset page, you come right here to where you have deposit, where the arrow is pointing to. So once you click on deposit, you have three options right here, which is deposit crypto, buy with NGN, P2P trading. So you click on deposit crypto. Now once you click on deposit crypto, the next thing is to enter or search for the crypto you want to deposit on ByBit. So you come right here to this search bar and just search for the crypto. Remember it is USDT. So I just type in USDT right there and click on USDT. And the next thing is you choose your chain type or your network. The chain type is also known as the network. So for this video, I'll be picking USDT TRC20 network. So the way the arrow is pointing to. So you can pick any network right here, but we advise if you are transferring USDT, I would advise you just pick the TRC20. So once you pick TRC20, it will show you your wallet address right here. So this is the wallet address you have to copy. So once you click on copy right here, then you can now go back to your Binance app. So I'm back on the Binance app, and where you have this address right here, remember I've copied the wallet address on ByBit. So I'll just come right here and paste it right here. So this is the wallet address I just copied. And then the next thing is to enter the network. Don't forget the network we picked was TRC20 on ByBit. So it has to be the same network you're entering right here. Don't forget that. So once you come right here, you can see it is TRC20 right here. This is the network at the top, TRC20. And you can also see the fee. The fee is just $1 USDT. So the fee is $1. And then you can see the arrival time is 2 minutes. So within 2 minutes, I'll get my USDT in my ByBit wallet. And you can see the minimum withdrawal is 10 USDT. So the minimum you can transfer is 10 USDT. So once you click on the TRC20, then the next thing is to enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. So let's say, for example, I want to transfer, let's say 500 USDT. I'll just come right here and enter 500 right here. Now, once you've entered the amount you want to withdraw, you can see at this point right here where this drop down arrow is, where this arrow is pointing to. Just click on it and you'll be seeing your spot wallet and your funding wallet. So right here, you should select the wallet you want the USDT to go from. So you want to withdraw from your funding wallet, then you pick your funding wallet. If you want to withdraw from your spot wallet, then you pick your spot wallet. So since I'm withdrawing from funding wallet, so I'll just unpick the spot wallet one. So you can see I'll just untick this box right here. So you can see I'm only picking funding wallet. So I want the USDT to be from my funding wallet. I hope you understand that. So once you've done that, just come right to the bottom of the screen and click on withdraw. And then it will ask you to confirm your details, to confirm the network, the wallet address, the amount you are withdrawing, and the network fee, and then the wallet you are withdrawing from. So once you've confirmed all of this, just come right to the bottom side of the screen and click on confirm. And you can see on my screen it says withdrawal processing 500 USDT. So if you want to know whether it has gone through, just wait for like 2 minutes and then you get your notification that you've gotten your USDT on the ByBit app. So if you want to also check it on your Binance app, just come right here to where you have view history at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on view history, so you can see the status of the transaction is still processing. So like I said, it will take just 2 minutes for you to get your ByBit app.
A few moments later.
So right now it's 2 minutes already, so you can see the status has changed from processing to completed. So let's go to the ByBit app and see if we've gotten the USDT. So right now I'm on my ByBit app, and to confirm if you've gotten it, you just go to your spot wallet. So it will be in your spot wallet. So this is a spot wallet right here. So I'll just click on it, and then you can see the USDT right here. So before I was having about $30 something right there, or $39 right there before. I can see right now we have $539. So within 2 minutes, you're going to get your crypto in your ByBit wallet. So this is just a simple way for you to transfer your crypto from Binance to ByBit or any other crypto app. Now, make sure that the wallet address and network you are picking is always correct when you are pasting it back on the Binance app. That's very, very important. Now, if you are transferring any other crypto aside from USDT, it might take longer time or lower time before you get your crypto. So the time it will take to get your crypto on ByBit will depend on the network fee that you are picking and also on the crypto that you are sending. So if it's USDT, it's just 2 minutes, and that's if you are picking TRC20 network. So you can transfer any crypto. Just make sure that you are picking the right wallet address and the right network. Now, in case you want to learn how to do derivatives trading on ByBit, I have a complete guide on it. The link to that video will be in the description below, or you click on the video showing on your screen right now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.